The Solar Radiation Latitude interactive calculator helps engineers determine solar energy availability at any location on Earth. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options: daily solar radiation at latitude, solar declination angle, hour angle, and solar position, optimum panel tilt angle, clear sky global irradiance, or annual energy potential. I'm using daily solar radiation at latitude. For season optimization, choose from annual average, summer, winter, or spring. I'll use annual average. Now enter your parameters. Set latitude in degrees. I'm using 40. Input day of year from 1 to 365. I'll use 172, which is late June. Enter solar constant in watts per square meter. The default 1367 works well. Set atmospheric transmittance between 0 and 1. I'm using 0.7 for typical conditions. After clicking Calculate, the calculator provides your daily solar radiation values, showing both direct and diffuse components, total daily insolation, and peak sun hours. These outputs help you size solar systems, estimate energy production, and optimize panel placement for your specific location and time of year. Find the link in the description below.